I get this question at least twice a day, every day. So it's time to put a video together to answer the question once and for all. How do you deposit and withdraw from the broker? For the sake of this video, we're going to be using cryptocurrency and Binance to deposit and withdraw from HFM, which is the broker we're using. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So when you're on your phone, the first thing you're going to want to do is open the broker's website. So you go to Chrome, search for the broker. Like me, I already have it up. So we just log in. Great. So now that you are in your account with the broker, the first thing you're going to want to do is tap on the three lines at the top right hand of the screen, the three horizontal lines, and then you'll see a list of options on the left hand side of the screen. You'll want to tap on transfer funds. Since your funds would most likely be in your trading account, you want to transfer it from your trading account to your wallet, and then you can withdraw it from your wallet to your Binance or your bank account or wherever. So we're transferring it from our trading account to our wallet, and at the bottom of the screen it'll show you the available balance that you can withdraw. For me, it's $62.48. So we'll take out the entire $62.48, then tap on transfer. Great. So the transfer was successful. Now that we have $62 in our wallet, we tap back on the three lines at the top of the screen, and we can now see the option to withdraw that's above transfer funds on the left side of the screen. We tap on withdraw, and then you'll see a list of options that you can use to withdraw your funds. Now, since we're using cryptocurrency, we'll go ahead and select crypto payments option B. You can select option A. It depends on the type of cryptocurrency that you're interested in using. For options B, this is the list. And if the type of crypto you're looking for is not there, then you can select option A, and this is the list of crypto that they have available there. So we'll just go back and use option B and select the crypto, which is the first thing that you do. You want to make sure that you're withdrawing the same currency. It's nothing difficult, just like if you were choosing to withdraw USD instead of GBP. You just want to make sure that you withdraw the correct currency and you are selecting the same one as you are depositing on Binance. So for this example, we'll use USDT TRC20 at the very bottom. So we selected USDT TRC20, and up here we enter the amount, and in our balance, if you would like to see how much you have in your wallet, you simply tap on the four squares at the top and you will see this drop down. It says $62.48, so we'll go ahead and enter $62.48. The great thing with HFM is that they charge you $0 to withdraw, so you can withdraw every single cent that you have made. So now that we have the amount and the type of crypto, it's time for us to put in our receiving address. Now, in order to get your receiving address, you'll need to go on to Binance. And for those who don't already have a Binance account, I'll include the links to everything at the description of this video. And here in Binance, you see the option to add funds at the top right hand of the screen. You simply tap on add funds, and here you can purchase crypto if you're buying it with your Visa card from the bank. Or in our case, we'd like to deposit crypto. So we tap on the option to deposit crypto, and we're selecting the same cryptocurrency that we selected to do the withdraw on the broker's website. So that crypto was USDT, which is the third one. And the network that we selected was TRC20. So it's very important to just remember the exact crypto and the exact network, because if you are sending a different type of crypto on a different network, then it might be lost. So you're going to lose your money if you don't select the correct network and the correct crypto. So it's just something to pay attention to. So when we select the TRC20, it generates a deposit wallet address. At the bottom of the screen it says deposit address, and at the right to it there's a little copy icon. We can just tap on that and we'll copy the wallet address. Then we head back over to the broker's website and paste that wallet address where it says receiving address. For destination tag, you can leave that blank. And when you scroll a little bit down, you'll see the option to withdraw. There's the minimum amount you can withdraw and the maximum amount you can withdraw using cryptocurrency USDT. At least for once. You can withdraw more than that, but just not at the same time. So after submitting the withdrawal, then they'll send you an email with a 2-factor code. You check your email address. Here's that code. You can copy the code, go back to the website, and paste it. Then click submit, and that's it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. And that is it. That is literally how we withdraw. And just like that, your deposit is complete. So for all the persons asking, here's a quick video showing you how to purchase cryptocurrency from Binance using your local Visa card, and how to deposit this crypto into your trading account with HFM. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first app you'll want to open is Binance. If you don't already have Binance downloaded, I will provide a link at the description of this video. So you download Binance and you sign up and verify your account. Not going to show you how to do that in this video because it's pretty straightforward. But once your account is verified and you open the app, it should look a little like this. And at the top right hand where it says add funds, you'll want to tap on that. And then you will see this list of options where you can buy with USD, buy with USD P2P, receive via pay, or deposit crypto. So for this video, we'll choose the top option, buy with USD. And then you will be taken to this screen where you can enter the amount of crypto that you'd like to purchase, the type of crypto that you'd like to purchase right here, and the payment method that you'll be using. So for me, I'll be using my Visa card from my local bank account, Demerara Bank. For some persons, you may need to just call the bank before purchasing the crypto so that they can allow the card to be used online. It's something that happens in a lot of Caribbean countries. If not, then you can just purchase the crypto directly. So for this sake, we'll do $50. One thing to note, the bank will charge you around 12% and Binance will charge you approximately 10% as well when purchasing the crypto. So you'll just need to have a little bit over the amount that you'd like to purchase. So if I would like exactly $50, I may need to put about $55. And I'll also need to have at least $60 to $65 in my bank account to be able to purchase the crypto. But once all that is done, then you can go ahead and select your payment method. If it's your first time purchasing crypto, then you'll see the option to add a payment method. And then you can add your card information here and proceed to confirm the payment, preview order. And here you'll see the amount Binance is charging and the total that you'll be spending. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see confirm. And once you tap on confirm, the order will go through and the crypto will show up in your balance. After you purchase the crypto, it should be reflecting in your balance. If you don't see it, you simply pull down and refresh the screen. And then you can see at the bottom of the screen, it has a list of options. You can tap on the one on the far right that says assets. And then you'll be taken to this page. Once you're on this page, make sure at the top of the screen there's a list of balances: overview, spot, earn, funding, and futures. You want to make sure that you're selecting the spot. It might be in overview or earn. You simply just tap on spot to make sure that you're selecting your spot balance. Then you will see the cryptocurrency that you have available and the amount of cryptocurrency that you have available in your spot account. So you simply tap on the crypto, and at the bottom of the screen now, you will see the option to deposit, withdraw, or transfer. For us, we'd like to withdraw this balance into our account with the broker at HFM. So we tap on the withdraw option, and then we'll see the option to send via crypto network. When we send via crypto network, this next page will pop up where it gives you the option to enter the address you'd like to send the crypto to, the network you would like to use to send the crypto, and the amount of the crypto that you'd like to send. But before selecting all this, we need to go into our account with the broker and select the option to deposit using the same cryptocurrency that we just bought. So let's head over to the broker's website now, and you sign into your account with the broker. Now, once you're in the dashboard with the broker, you will see two options at the top right hand of the screen. You simply tap on the three horizontal lines, and then you'll see a list of options appear to the left hand side of the screen, where it has the option to deposit, and we'll select that option. Great. So once we select the option to deposit, it shows the list of available methods that we can use to deposit. And since we're using crypto, we'll select the option to use cryptocurrency right there. And under the cryptocurrency option, we also have a further list of options where we can select a different crypto payment system. So for this video, we'll use crypto payments option B. And once you select that, you will scroll down a little where you can see the amount that you'd like to deposit, the type of crypto as well that you'd like to use, and you'll also see the network when selecting the crypto. So let's enter the amount. Let's say we wanted to deposit $61 or $60. And now we select the type of crypto, which would be USDT TRC20, which is the one at the bottom. So we select USDT TRC20, and then we tap on the option to deposit. Once you tap on deposit, you will be taken to this screen where you'll see the transaction information, including the wallet address that you'll need to send the crypto to, or the barcode that you can scan and send the crypto to as well. But for this sake, let's just copy the wallet address at the bottom there. So on this entire page, you would want to keep this page open, but you just go back to Binance and paste this wallet address that you copied in the provided space on Binance. So let's just go back to Binance. And at the top of the screen where it says address, we simply tap on hold and paste. Then we select the network next, which would be TRC20. And finally, we enter the amount. So the network fee is shown at the bottom of the screen, so you will know how much of your balance you can actually send. So for me, I'd like to send $60. So the network fee is 1 USDT at the bottom of the screen there. So I'll have to put 61 USDT to cover the 1 USDT network fee. So I'll receive 60 USDT. So everything looks good there. We tap on withdraw. It'll take you to this screen where you tap on confirm. It'll ask you to verify. And you can use your ID on your device. And that's it. The withdrawal is processing. So now we go back to the broker's website, the page that we left open, and we give it just a few minutes. Since it's USDT, it'll only take a couple minutes to verify the transaction. And after just 2 minutes or so, we can scroll down and we'll see that the transaction was confirmed. So now we can go back to the broker's website. We simply tap on the back button and refresh the page. We can already see the deposit reflecting in our MT5 account there. It was deposited directly to the MT5 account. But if it was deposited to your wallet and you don't see it in your MT5 account, you simply tap on transfer. Then you transfer the funds from your wallet to your MT5 account. But since it's already in there, all I need to do is go ahead and check my MT5. Great. So now the balance is in my MT5 and I can open a trade and start making it. Hope this video was helpful.